Hello! Today's lesson is about there is and there are with count and non-count nouns. What's on the table? Can you guess what I'm going to make? There are two dishes on the table. There's some ice in one dish. There are 5 strawberries in the other dish. There's also a banana on the table. And there's some yogurt. Look at the affirmative sentences with there is and there are. There are 2 dishes on the table. There's some ice in one dish. There are 5 strawberries in the other dish. There's also a banana on the table. And there's some yogurt. There is and there are mean that something exists in a particular place. We use there is before singular count nouns and before non-count nouns. We usually use the contraction theirs. Remember to use a or an with singular count nouns. There's a banana on the table. We often use some with non-count nouns. There's some ice in the dish. There's some yogurt on the table. We use there are with plural nouns. There are strawberries in the dish. It's also correct to use a number or some with plural nouns. There are 5 strawberries in the dish. There are some strawberries in the dish. Now, let's look at negative statements. We use there isn't with singular count nouns. There isn't an apple on the table. We use there isn't any with non-count nouns. There isn't any milk on the table. We use there aren't any with plural nouns. There aren't any apples on the table. Finally, we use is there any and are there any in yes/no questions. For example, is there a banana on the table? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there any milk on the table? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Are there any apples? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Notice the order of the words in the questions. Is or are comes before the word there. Any comes after the word there. Is there any milk on the table? Are there any apples? Don't use contractions in affirmative answers. Yes, there is. Not. Now, can you guess what I'm going to make? A smoothie.